Now question number H of second question of exercise 3A, 23.168 and 1.193. Now what to do here? As I already told you, you forgot the decimal point and multiply the number. So what you have to do first, you multiply 3 with this number. So you will get 3 8 ja 14, 3 8 ja 24, carry over 2, 3 6 ja 18 plus 2 20, carry over 2, 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 5, no carry. Now 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So by multiplying 3 with this number, you will get 69,504. So write down here like this. You multiply by 9, so you will get 2,08,512. So write it here. Then write it here. Then you multiply with 1, so you will get the same number, 23,168, and multiply again by 1. So finally add these all and you will get this number 27. Now how you will get 4? Now 2 and 0 2, 5 plus 1 6 plus 8 14, carry over 1, 9 plus 1 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 11, 11 or 8 19, carry over 1, 6 plus 1 7, 7 or 8 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 plus 6 23, carry over 2, 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6. Now no carry, so 2 2 4 plus 3 7 and 2 as it is. So you got 27639424. Now you have to put the decimal point. So where is the decimal point in 23.16? After 3 place, and here also after 3 place, so total 6 places. Now put the decimal point in the question from right side. So start counting from the right side. So after the 4 I will start counting 1 2 3 4 5 6. So after 7 you will put the decimal point. So answer 27.639424. This is your answer. Next question, second J. In this 3 numbers are given, 6.7, 1.13, 4.44. So what we will do, we will forget the decimal point first, and first we will multiply the two numbers 67 and 131. So when we multiply 67 with 131, so we will get 1 7 ja 1, 1 6 ja 6 and 3 7 ja 21, carry over 2, 6 3 6 ja 18, 18 plus 2 20. So as we got by multiplying 67 and 131, 8777. After adding these all three, I think you know how to multiply and get the answer. Now next, whatever the answer we got, we will multiply with the third number. Two number 6.7 and 1.31 we already took. Now we will take the answer of the multiplication of these two with the third number, that is 4.44. So here also we will not write the number in the decimal, just first we will multiply the numbers, then we will see what is the answer. So when I multiply this 8777 with 444 with 444, so I got, when I multiply this with 4, so 4 7 ja 28, carry over 2, 4 7 ja 28, 28 or 2 30. So here I written 0 and carry over again 2, carry over 3. Now multiply again 4 with 7, so 7 4 7 ja 21, 4 7 ja 28, 28 and 3 31. So I have written here 1, carry over 3. Now 4 8 ja 32, 32 plus 3 35. So you got 35,108. Now again we have to multiply with 4. The same number we have to write it here and here also. Now add these all. So we will get from here 8. Now 0 and 8, 8, 1 and 8, 9, 5 plus 1, 6, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 1, 9, 3 plus 5, 8 and 3. So you got 3, 8, 9, 6, 9, 8, 8. So the multiplication of these three, we got 67 into 131 into 414 as 3896988. So now what we will do here, we will find out the decimal place where we have to put the decimal point. So in the first 6.7, the decimal place after 1, and in the second after 2, and in the third number after 2 places. So total 1 plus 2 3 plus 2 5, total after 5 places. So from the right side we will put the decimal point after 5 places. So I start from the right side, from here 1 2 3 4 5 places. Here I will put the decimal point. So the answer is 38.96988. Like the previous question, you can solve this question number K. Here also 3 numbers are there. So first we multiply these two numbers without the decimal point, without putting a decimal point. Now first we multiply the first two number, that is 3.17 and 2.36. So we will forget the decimal point and we just multiply the number. So we will got 74,812. Now this 74,812 we will multiply with 1147. So we will get this 85809364 after multiplication. So what? Now you have to decide where you have to put the decimal point. So here your answer, but you have to put the decimal point. So in the first number, the decimal point after 2 places. In the second number also after 2 places. In the third number also after 2 places. So total 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6. So after 6 place we will put the decimal point. So let's see here in this number. So after multiplication we got this number. Now we have to put the decimal point. So what have we have decided? After 6 place. So from the right side we will start 1 place, 2 place, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So after 5 we will put the decimal point. So our answer 85.809364. So I think you can solve this question number L also with the same procedure. Multiply this number, first number with the second number without the decimal point. So you will get 15894,552. Now you have to decide where you have to put the decimal point. So in the first number, decimal point after 2 places from the right, and in the second number the decimal point after 2 places from the right side. So total 4. So we will put the decimal point after 4 places from the right. 1 2 3 4. So your answer 1559.4552. So our answer is this. Now like this you can solve this question also without worrying about the decimal point. Just simply multiply the number first, then you will decide how you have to put the decimal point. So here decimal point after how many places? 5. Why 5 places? Because here after 2 places the decimal point, and the second number the decimal point after 3 places from the right. So total 5. So this we got from multiplication of these all and addition of these all numbers from here to here. Now we have to put the decimal point after 5 place. So we will start from the right side. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So after 9 we will put the decimal point. So our answer is 19.12615. Next question. This P is also very simple. Forgot the decimal point from first number and second number. Just multiply the 5 with this number. So we will get 956025. Now what we have to do? You have to put the decimal point. So here after 2 places the decimal point is placed, and here after 1 place, so total 3. So in the answer from the right side you put the decimal point 1 2 3. So after 6 you put the decimal point and find the answer. And this question is also very simple, only you have to multiply the number and you have to decide where you have to put the decimal point. How? If you multiply by 1, so the same number you will get here 0015. Now multiply by 0 0 0 and multiply by 0 0 0, so we got 4015. 4 times 0 and 15. Now 4 times 0 15. Now how to decide where we have to put the decimal place? So in the first number decimal place after 3 places, and the second number also the decimal point after 3 places, so total 6 places. So from the right side 1 place, 2 3 4 5 and 6. So after 6 places 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So after 6 I put the dot. If there is no number before the dot, then we can write 0. So I have written 0. So the answer is 0.0000 4 times 0 15. That is your answer. So your homework, you have to complete your copy, you have to complete your fair copy, and you have to solve these questions from the second question. These many questions you have to solve in your fair copy. All the questions if you solve, then you will get the correct method of solving the questions, and it will be easier for you to solve more questions. Any question you can solve. Thank you.